Hey guys, it's theremorsefulgamer, and I'm bringing you a huge TNT explosion. Here it is. Oh, what? It didn't ignite the TNT. What is this? All right, here. What? Why isn't it working? Stupid TNT. I can't. How do I set it off? How do I shut it off? Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, here, a lever. Here we go. Alright, guys. This is going to be a nice explosion. Hope you are ready. Uh-oh. Oh, my God. It's still going, ladies and gentlemen. It's still going. Still going. Oh, now it starts to rain, of course. Okay. Let's see. There's 2 gold bricks left out of that whole thing. Oh my God. Wow. You don't understand. I had a huge tunnel all the way down to bedrock. And I made a tunnel around it, all the way 64 high, wrapped it all around in TNT. And this is the result, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoy this video. Like and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.